Imagine this. You're in the wrong place at the wrong time, and suddenly, everything changes. You've been taken hostage. The situation is terrifying, unpredictable, and survival is your only mission. What do? In this video, we'll walk step by step through proven hostage survival tactics, from the very first moments of capture, all the way to escape and rescue. These strategies have saved lives before, and knowing them might just save yours. The first moments of capture are the most dangerous. Your instinct will be to fight or run, but unless escape is absolutely certain, don't resist. Hostage takers are usually armed, nervous, and unpredictable. Resistance could make you their first target. Instead, stay calm, obey initial commands, and focus on staying alive. The first few hours are critical. Breathe slowly, show no sudden movements. Avoid making eye contact that might be seen as a challenge. Remember, your goal is not to win, it's to survive. Cooperate without being submissive. Stay respectful. Speak only when spoken to. And most importantly, memorize everything. What do your captors look like? What weapons do they have? What language are they speaking? These details could be vital later. Fear will overwhelm you. Your heart will race. Panic will scream at you to act. But the strongest weapon you have is your mind. Control your breathing. Count slowly. Repeat simple affirmations. I will survive this. By managing your fear, you give yourself clarity. And clarity is survival. Hostage negotiators say one thing again and again. People are less likely to harm someone they see as human. That means your mission is to build rapport, carefully and without pushing boundaries. Share neutral details like your name, your age, maybe that you're a parent. Avoid politics, religion, or anything that could spark anger. Subtly, you want your captors to see you as a person, not an object. While you comply, your mind must stay sharp. Observe everything. How many captors are there? What routines do they follow? When do they eat, sleep, or change guard? Where are exits, windows, or weaknesses in their setup? This information is your weapon, to use only when the moment is right. In many hostage situations, authorities will try to negotiate. If you're allowed to speak, remain calm. Never antagonize. If asked to deliver demands, repeat them word for word. Don't add or change anything. If you get the chance, subtly drop details that confirm your location, your number, or your condition. But remember, never risk your safety by being clever. Subtlety is survival. If captivity stretches on, time becomes your enemy. You may feel hopeless. That's when mental discipline matters most. Create routines, exercise lightly, stretch, hum songs in your mind, keep your brain active. Recall memories, recite poems, even count backwards. These small rituals keep your mind sharp and, stop despair from breaking you. When escape or rescue comes, it may be sudden and violent. If a rescue team storms in, drop to the ground, cover your head, and don't move until ordered. Rescuers don't know who is who at first. Make yourself non-threatening. If you see a genuine chance to escape alone, weigh it carefully. Only act if you're sure of success. Remember, failed escape attempts can make your captors far more dangerous. Surviving a hostage situation doesn't end when you walk free. The trauma lingers. Nightmares, fear, anxiety, these are normal. Seek help, talk to professionals, and give yourself time to heal. You've endured what many cannot imagine. Survival is not just about the body, but about reclaiming the mind and spirit. In the end, surviving captivity is not about being fearless, it's about being smart. Stay calm, stay human, stay alert, and you give yourself the best chance to walk away alive. Knowledge is power, and preparation is survival.